come and prep for an infill with me. So you're going to start by reducing the bulk on the nails. This is the coarse bit from HW Nail Systems, and it absolutely slides through. As you can see, it just brings all of that, this builder gel right off there. It's so good. So I'm going to do that on all 4 nails. Now this is a longer video today. If you do like this, please do give us a like and a follow as well. But basically I wanted to show you kind of in real time and as much of the process as possible, obviously within about 2 minutes. So we're still removing that bulk. We're taking all of that layers off, all of those layers off rather, and we are just going to bring that back to, like, I've got a clear layer underneath there, so I'm bringing it right back to that clear layer. Once I've done that, I'm going to push the cuticles back, and then once I've done the cuticles back, I am going to start with my cuticle prep. So I go in first off with the tiny cuticle bit from Katie Barnes. I'm going down the left hand side of the nail and then the right hand side of the nail. You'll see there I'm kind of going in opposite ways. It just means I can really get into those folds and get all of the non-living tissue off the nail plate. Then once I've done that, I'm going to trim anything white. Now this is a bit of a controversial issue sometimes for some people, but basically anything that's white is non-living tissue, so it's safe to trim off. That's certainly the way I've always been trained, and I've never had any issues doing it. After that, I will go in with a round ball bit on reverse, and I will just exfoliate that cuticle a little bit more just to make it nice and smooth. Now, once I've done that, I'll go in with a sanding band. I literally only have this on a speed 2 or 3, and it works really, really well. I absolutely love it. It's so much easier, and you can get right into the kind of nooks and crannies. And also, I know people again have issues with sanding bands, but if you're very gentle, you can do more harm with a hand file. So yeah, I really, really love to prep like that. Now I'm going to go in with my primer. I've cleansed and dehydrated before this, and I'll go in with my primer, and then I'm ready for my base coat. I hope that helps. If you do have any comments or questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.